Hey Suketu, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
सुकेतु मेरे को पता है कि आप न्यूमरोलॉजी तो करते हैं, ये हमारे व्यूअर्स भी आपको शायद पहचानते होंगे फ्रॉम माय शो लकीर के फ़कीर, बट आप पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन के भी एक्सपर्ट हैं. बट इस वक्त मैं यहाँ पर पास्ट नहीं लेकिन इमीडिएट फ्यूचर की बात करना चाहती हूँ हमारे स्टार्स की. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद शाहरुख खान. अब दिवाली है एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम फॉर द बॉलीवुड स्टार्स कि किसका फ्यूचर कैसे शेप आउट होता है. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डे फॉर रिलीजेस एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स द फ्यू मंथ्स दैट फॉलो. तो आपको क्या लग रहा है शाहरुख खान का आगे टाइम कैसे आने वाला है, द नेक्स्ट 6 to 8 months or a year?
Shahrukh Khan next 1 year seems to be a good phase.
Okay.
But then again it would drop. And it seems that Shahrukh could be dropping his old friends and make new friends to move on.
What about
but he has some, I also see some health issues in his case.
तो सुकेतु, I don't know if you can specify that, but शाहरुख अपने फीमेल फ्रेंड्स को ड्रॉप करेंगे मेल फ्रेंड्स को?
ऐसा है कि when you're referring to female friends, I mean, one of the names that comes to my mind is Priyanka.
Yes.
And Priyanka's life is in a major turmoil on emotional front.
सुकेतु, आपने प्रियंका की बात जब की है तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको इंटरप्ट करना चाहूँगी क्योंकि जो मेरा शो था लकीर के फ़कीर उसमें आपने ये प्रेडिक्शन दी थी 2 साल पहले, सो दैट शी इज गोइंग टू गो थ्रू एन इमोशनली अनस्टेबल पीरियड. आई वांट टू शो आवर व्यूअर्स व्हेन यू हैव एक्चुअली सेड दैट एंड दैट इज 2 years ago. आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन प्रियंका's career. You know, she's attractive, she's hot, she's sexy, you know, she has all the right projects and in spite of that कहीं कुछ ठंडा पड़ा हुआ है. What do you think is the reason?
She's right. This is the first year of a cycle which she's entering the negative spin. And next couple of years I think are going to be very slow for her and I don't think she could deliver any hit or any big film. She's an aggressive person, you see. So she's into aggressive depression. Priyanka don't seem to have another good year ahead in 2013. I see this year will be a turning point in her life. She will also get into some new relationships.
Okay.
Which may be positive and fruitful for her or maybe extremely negative. As far as her career is concerned, I think she has another waiting period.
Oh, she has another waiting period because आपने ये भी कहा था कि उनकी मूवीज नहीं चलेंगी. And of course, Dawn 2 was average, and then Agnipath was a big hit, but that was really Hrithik Roshan's movie. Yes. It was not so much Priyanka, but she has had Barfi, which has been completely appreciated. Yeah. But that's about it. So it's not been a very great year. उनके डैड भी थोड़े से बीमार रहे हैं, and with all the kind of the so-called Bollywood wives attacking her and everything, it's not been a very easy year for Priyanka. तो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि ये struggle
it's not going to get better.
Okay, not for some time until you think if there's a chance of her meeting somebody and starting a new relationship.
Yes.
सुकेतु, अगर हम रिलेशनशिप्स की बात कर रहे हैं तो सैफ और करीना की अभी शादी हुई है. उनके करियर के बारे आप हमें कुछ बताइए.
Saif Ali's career in 2013 seems to be rising very high.
Really?
He'll be riding a very good crest.
Okay.
And Karina's career may drop. And if Karina's career drops, it is either Katrina or Deepika Padukone will be in the race to take over that space.
तो आपका मतलब है कि शायद करीना will be out of this race. Probably it's a change of priorities for her. Probably she's enjoying her marital bliss, or the fact that she's probably very lucky as a wife for Saif and his career is going to go up.
If you look at it technically, in terms of numerology, Kareena is number 3, and this is the 3rd year for Saif Ali. So the Jupiter is going to play a very big role.
Okay.
So the strength of Kareena's Jupiter will be definitely enhancing the career of Saif.
Okay.
But her personal career, in terms of her work, I see a slide down.
आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर करीना आउट होती है ये रैट रेस में से तो it is then the competition is between Katrina and Deepika Padukone to be number 1.
Yes, and I think Katrina has an edge over Deepika.
Why is that? Is it because Salman is still on top?
Katrina may enter a new relationship.
Wow, that is interesting. Is it somebody she's been with before?
No, I think it's a new relationship that she would get into.
आई थिंक ये सुन के यहाँ पर दीपिका पादुकोण और रणबीर कपूर के बहुत सारे फैंस हैं. वन ऑफ देम इज़ माई प्रोड्यूसर एंड बहुत सारे लोग ये सुन के खुश होंगे कि शी विल नॉट गो बैक टू रणबीर बिकॉज आजकल इनफैक्ट इवन जूम में काफ़ी चर्चा होती है कि विल रणबीर एंड दीपिका गेट बैक टुगेदर. जहाँ पे भी मैं बाहर भी जाती हूँ पार्टीज में सब यही सवाल पूछते हैं एंड आई एम लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन बिटवीन देम.
As per my calculations, Ranbir and Deepika will come together.
तो उनका रोमांस रिकिंडल होगा?
Yes, उनका रोमांस रिकिंडल होगा. As per the stars of Ranbir, it is very likely that old relationships come back to his life.
Okay.
And then in that case, since Katrina is moving on to a new relationship, Deepika Padukone coming back in Ranbir's life.
And Priyanka seems to be out of the scene because you are saying Priyanka might start a new relationship though.
Priyanka is going to go through a further emotional turmoil.
Okay.
Whether she gets into another relationship or not, it's nothing going to be significant for her at this point of time.
और अब विद्या बालन के रूमर्स आ रहे हैं कि वो शादी करने वाली हैं, तो विद्या का करियर तो इज राइट नाउ एब्सोल्युटली इन द बेस्ट ऑफ शेप, तो उनकी शादी होने वाली है, क्या होने वाला है?
Emotional consolidation for sure.
Okay.
So it can materialize into whatever what she wants, because she decides what she wants in her life. So.
And what about her career?
A career graph maybe a little slow in 2013, but I think she's a brilliant actor.
So Ketu, thank you for so many big fatakas here. That is before Diwali, you've given us all these predictions, and I'm looking forward to seeing you here again soon in the Zoom studio.
Pleasure's mine. Thank you.